Good morning, grade 6. I hope that you're doing good and you're ready for today's lesson. So let's get started. So yesterday we did a novel on Ken Sook's Kingdom. Today we will continue that and we will do another reading piece about it. So please open your English textbooks on page 82 and today we will do reading, right? So it says, you are going to read another excerpt from Ken Sook's Kingdom. So remember yesterday we learned the word excerpt, which means it's a short piece taken from a longer one. So it's an extract from a bigger or longer piece of reading, right? So before you read, question says, why is there a date at the beginning of an excerpt? Number 2, this excerpt is from chapter 3, Ship's Log. What is a ship's log? And question 3, from the title of the chapter, what do you expect to read about here? So that's just some questions you can ask yourself and answer them, right? So I'm going to read the text and you can just follow with me in your textbook. So it says, July 28th. I look around me. It's a dark, dark night. No moon, no stars. But it's calm again at last. I'll be 12 tomorrow, but I don't think anyone except me will remember it. We've had a terrible time. Far worse even then in the Bay of Biscay. Ever since we left Sydney. It's been just storm after storm, and each one blows us further north across the Coral Sea. The rudder cable has snapped. Dad's done what he can, but it's still not right. The self-steering doesn't work anymore, so someone's got to be at the wheel all the time. And that means Dad or me, because Mum is sick. It's her stomach cramps again. But they're a lot worse. She doesn't want to eat at all. All she has is sugared water. She hasn't been able to look at the charts for 3 days. Dad wants to put out a Mayday call, but Mum won't let him. She says that's giving in, and she's never giving in. Dad and I have been doing the navigation together. We've been doing our best, but I don't think we know where we are at anymore. They're both asleep down below. Dad's really wiped out. I'm at the wheel in the cockpit. I've got Eddie's football with me. It's been lucky for us so far. And now we really need it. We need Mum to get better, or we'll in real trouble. I don't know if we could stand another storm. Thank God it's calm. It'll help Mum to sleep. You can't sleep when you're being slammed about all the time. It is so dark out there. Black. Stella's barking. She's up by the bow. She hasn't got her harness clipped on. So that is the extract from Ken Sook's Kingdom. At the bottom of the page we have a word list. So a cockpit, that is a small cabin from which a boat is steered, right? And Mayday, that is an emergency call for help. Okay, so let's continue. So on page 83, we have our after you read questions. So you know those are the questions about the text that we just read, and you need to complete them as well. Okay, so for homework, you need to write the heading, date and page number, then draw a line. You then need to complete the after you read questions on page 83. That's question 1 to 6. And this activity must be completed in your English workbook. So before you do the questions, read through the text again by yourself so that you don't miss anything and that you understand it completely, and then you complete the after you read questions. So enjoy your homework and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!